Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between mist-covered mountains, there lived a wise old Zen master named Kaito. He was renowned not only for his profound teachings but also for the undeniable respect he commanded from everyone in the village. One day, a curious villager named Hiroshi approached Master Kaito and asked, "Master, how is it that everyone in the village respects you so deeply? What habits do you attribute to this universal admiration?" Kaito, with a gentle smile, beckoned Hiroshi to sit beside him on a weathered wooden bench. "Respect is not earned through grand gestures or loud proclamations," he began. "True respect is cultivated through the simplicity of one's habits." Intrigued, Hiroshi listened intently as Kaito shared the 6 habits that had become the cornerstone of his revered reputation. 1. The habit of presence. Be fully present wherever you are, Kaito advised. When you speak to someone, listen with your whole being. Let your mind be undivided and your heart attuned to the moment. 2. The habit of humility. Recognize that you are but a small part of the vast tapestry of existence, Kaito continued. Approach life with humility, understanding that every person, creature, and even the humblest of plants has its own significance. 3. The habit of compassion. Develop a compassionate heart, the Zen master urged. Understand the struggles of others and offer kindness without expecting anything in return. Compassion is the bridge that connects all hearts. 4. The habit of integrity. Let your actions be guided by unwavering integrity, Kaito emphasized. Live by your principles, even when no one is watching. A person of true character does not waver in the face of temptation. 5. The habit of simplicity. Simplify your life, Kaito advised. In the pursuit of material possessions and status, one often loses sight of what truly matters. Embrace simplicity, and you will find richness in the moments that matter most. 6. The habit of gratitude. Be grateful for the gifts of life, Kaito concluded. Express gratitude for the sun that warms your skin, the rain that nourishes the earth, and the air that fills your lungs. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the fullness of life. Hiroshi absorbed the wisdom of the Zen master, determined to incorporate these habits into his own life. As he left Kaito's presence, he realized that true respect was not a destination but a journey guided by the profound simplicity of these 6 transformative habits. And so, the village continued to thrive under the influence of Kaito's teachings, inspiring generations to come. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless you, everyone.